Welcome back again. In this video, we are going to discuss about a simple Python program. So, first of all, we are diving into printing text, one of the most basic yet important tasks in programming. So, we use Python built-in print function for this. So, let me print a print function. Print hello Python. So, let me run this code. So here I got output as hello Python. So sometimes what's gonna be wrong. So for example, if you miss this quotes, putting if you miss putting this quotes, you will get an error. We'll see what kind of error we will get. So here we are getting invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. So that means you should understand what kind of error we are getting. First, you should read what is the error that we are getting. So here we missed some commas, some inverted, some double quotes like this. So now we are getting this, and this is the first error. And for example, if you are getting another type of error, like for example, you missed, instead of putting print, you just put like this, then we'll see what kind of error we'll get. So according to the situation, you should analyze while writing a program. You should analyze according to the error that you are getting. So you have to try how much it is possible. So here you are getting name pin printf is not defined. That means it is not defaultedly defined in the IDE of Python. So in this case, will you should understand that error and just correct it. So now we correct it. So there will be some another chances, like you can forget the parenthesis, putting the parenthesis here. So in that case, let me try. So what kind of error will get? So missing parenthesis in call to print. Did you mean print? So in this we are missing parenthesis as it is described in the error message. So you should correct it after reading the message, then you can run the code once again. So these are the major things you have to follow in Python or in any other languages. There will be some predefined set of instructions you have to follow. So here, for a simple line of code, if you miss any single thing, you will get an error message like this. So according to this, you have to follow the instructions and you have to run the code. Okay, we will discuss further programs in further videos. Let's get into it. Do subscribe.